Okay. Hi, my name's John Hammond. I'm with NowCommerce, and at NowCommerce, we're all about keeping things simple and easy. And so I'm here to talk about some new features that we've added to integrated shipping. So the problem we have with shipping is for QuickBooks Online people is that it's really hard, and they keep thinking it shouldn't be. It should be easy. Why is it hard? Because they spend all their time doing copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. You do that 30 times to get one shipment out the door, and you get pretty frustrated. And if you're successful and you get 10 shipments in a day, all of a sudden you're a victim of your success, and that's not a good thing. So what we did was we integrated. And what is integrate all about? It's about no more copy paste. And we didn't just integrate, we thought about it from a business perspective and what the business flow was, how people work, what they need to do, so that everything kind of works smoothly and seamlessly and eliminates the copy paste. So what we did in the hackathon was we brought together two simple APIs. We've got the QuickBooks Online API, gives us access to the transaction information so that we can complete a shipment. We've got access through EasyPost API to be able to ship via FedEx, UPS, USPS, DHL, et cetera, all quickly and easily through one simple API. Coming soon, we've got a bunch of other stuff we think we can do that didn't fit in the 2-day time period. So let's jump into the demo. Give me a second to size for this. Okay, so what we did in the 2 days was this section here, your warehouse settings. And so what happened is we had an existing application that's about integrating with third-party warehouses. So a lot of people do 3PL shipping, meaning that they don't own their warehouse. Instead, they've outsourced it to somebody else. And we integrate between QuickBooks Online and warehouse management systems that are run by third parties. We've got some feedback from customers saying, you know what, we don't use a 3PL. We actually do it ourselves. And what we'd really love to be able to do is create those labels. And creating those labels is a pain. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. So we've added this new section in 2 days that gives us the ability to do it by way of their EasyPost account. And what their account will do is give them quick and easy access to the labels. And here's an example of what a label looks like in PDF format. You can print that LaserJet printer or an inkjet printer and put it on a shipment. It's out the door. Okay, so from a business perspective process, what we do is we tie into QuickBooks for new shipments. New shipments give us access to, it's kind of like the business manager is saying, here's everything that came in today or over a time period, and I got to get it over to the warehouse. I'm going to pick and choose the things I want to get to go to the warehouse. Likewise, the warehouse user, somebody else who's going to come into the system. When the warehouse guy gets in, it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to get rid of new shipments because all he's worried about is pending shipments. I can get these things out the door, and here's the stuff that I got to get out the door. I got 11 seconds to get it out the door. I'm not going to make it. So I did do one earlier. And the good news is, once you go through the whole process of completing the shipment, you get back a lot of detailed information. And that's integrated shipping.
Can it, I'm not familiar with EasyPost. Can you pull in tracking numbers and
Yes.
post them to your QuickBooks Online as well?
Yes. So we do have, down at the bottom is the tracking information that came back.
And then that can go into the
EasyPost also gives us access to the tracking history as the product ships, so that we don't have to try and say, oh, link here and jump out to UPS to see what's going on. We can stay in the context of the application and say, here's what happened to that shipment over time.
And you've done it so it'll actually pull it back into their QuickBooks account?
Didn't get that far in the 2 days, but yes,
Okay.
there's a place to put it called tracking number, and there's also the service, and we'll update the service to reflect the actual service used.